Hi, I'm Nature Gus, and I'm here to show you how to effectively call in waterfowl with our technologically advanced game system call device. This is called a mating call. Alright, that's a pretty unpractical call. This is our feeding call. You gotta switch in between calls quite often. You can confuse the duck and thinking there's more than one duck in the area. And it works primarily for large groups of green-headed mallards. Now, I'm going to move to the get your ass back here call, also known as the hail or comeback call. For this, I'm going to need my secret weapon. This right here, folks, is called the nasty nag. This right here is called, I don't know. That's hard to do backwards. I'm coming in, Joe. Get down, Joe. I'm gonna use Canada flute. Fucking, you can get lightheaded. It is an extreme sport, but they're still hooking. They're still hooking. Where's my gun? That's called we're in grave danger, but it's not too grave because it's safe to be here. This is called the motorboat. I don't think they were interested. They didn't. They must have saw something they didn't like. I didn't put the decoys out, so that's not my issue. But I'm gonna try some snow camera technology real quick. This right here is called the Big River because it's designed for smaller scenario creeks. It's called a game call. That call, that was more of a lesser retarded duck, like a little, not a midget duck, that's an improper usage of words, but that was a real duck. Did you guys hear that real duck? Oh, that wasn't. Now, I'm going to intimidate a situation of more than one duck. Attracts the ducks. Makes them think you got a large group. I think I did this already in this video, but we're going to do it again. Give a little, hey, I'm here. Hey, I'm over here. Then a little, oh, I'm kind of hungry. I'm hungry. Little, don't forget about me. I'm still over here. And then I'm chowing the fuck down. More of the Big Mac. Now I'm hungry. Fuck you. Alright, they're coming in a little hail. Bang, bang, bang! You've got your ducks. Bang! 4 shells illegal. I'm calling the game warden. You're done with this shit.